Hello guys, today we make homemade wild fennel liquor. That is Italian liquor, so I tell also in Italian language. Liquore fatto in casa al finocchietto selvatico. Somebody will say, but this recipe is not in the book that you already published. Yes, why? Because now we are making and collecting other 60 recipes to do the volume 2, because the volume 1 had a great success. So thank you for your support buying the book. So you will find this recipe in the next book. There will be not a book that we will publish in September, because in September we will publish the book about cold cuts, homemade cold cuts. I show you. Like with prosciutto crudo and all the other salami that you watch here on the channel. Okay, for this fennel liquor, see you after the intro. Spectacular. When you do this kind of liquor, you can do it or with the leaves, only the soft one, or with the flowers, these beautiful yellow flowers. I didn't find so many, because now in Apulia, Italy, we have 34 Celsius degree, so it's super hot, so the flower a little bit dry already. But I was able to find a good fresh leaves, like you can see in the video, before I went in the field and I collect this wild fennel. If you are not living in Italy or in the area of the Mediterranean Sea, when you buy the normal fennel, inside in the center, when you cut it, you can see that there is a green part. There are leaves like this. Instead of throwing, you can keep it and throw in the alcohol. Also, if you will spend maybe 4 weeks, it's not a problem. Every time that you eat the fennel, you take the green part and you put in the liquor. So you can do this everywhere in the world. Will be no a liquor with wild fennel, but with normal fennel. But will be good also that, don't worry. But because in Italy everybody have different opinion, so some people say it's better with the leaves, some others say it's better with the flowers. I will do 2 bunch, one with the leaves, one with the flowers, so everybody will be happy. Usually I mix it, but up to you. So in this way also I show that you can do only with the leaves when you eat your fennel. Super easy. So here I will put 50 grams of fennel leaves, and here 50 grams of fennel flower with 500 ml of alcohol, pure ethanol alcohol, 96% of alcohol content. You see, 96% is made from cereal, so you can use also for whiskey, homemade. You can find this recipe in the book. How long we should keep in the alcohol? Some people say some weeks, some people say few months, some people say until the winter. For me, 3 days are enough. Same principle that you can find in the recipe of the limoncello homemade, 3 days. So 3 days in the alcohol, and after we will add the sugar with the water. So see you in 3 days. I don't know if you have noticed the color, really spectacular. In a few days we already collect all the color and the taste of the fennel. This one is like the blood of alien, so be careful. I'm joking. Okay, now to complete our liquor we need 300 grams of sugar and half liter of water, or 500 ml of water. With this ingredient we will have the alcohol content of our liquor 40%. If you want less alcohol in your liquor, you can calculate the ingredient on the website of l'uomo di casa. I will put the link under the video. He make a calculator, so put in the ingredient, you know, write in the ingredient in this page, you can know the alcohol content of your liquor. If you cannot find the link under the video, you can write me a comment. Please send me the link of the calculator and I will send you the link. This ingredient is for each bunch of alcohol with the fennel, so I should do the same with this 300 grams of sugar and 500 ml of water, because I'm doing the same liquor with two different techniques. After, when the sugar is melted, you need to wait and reach the room temperature. You put all the ingredients together. I show you how I filter, usually with two fennels. So I put one fennel like this. Under the other fennel I put a filter. This is a tea filter that I bring from Thailand. I don't know, probably you can find on Amazon or in some store that also they sell tea or coffee filter, something like that. And after, you can use the filter that you prefer. Also coffee filter. If you are in the States, for example, that you drink the kind of coffee, you can use the same filter. In this way, all the things, impurity, will remain in the filter. But don't worry, if something goes in the bottle with 40% of alcohol content, nothing will happen. It's not nice to see, but the taste will still be spectacular. So now I prepare all the ingredients, put together, and after see you for the final result. Sorry, at the end I move on the sink because I spread the liquor 2 times here on the table, and because there is the sugar inside, after will be sticky forever. So we have the two versions, flowers and leaves, and here I mix them all together. Now I will put the liquor in the freezer, and maybe in 1 hour, 1 hour and 30, we can do the tasting. See you later. First, with the flowers. The smell is spectacular. Let's taste it. Really, really spectacular. You can taste a kind of anise. Let's try with the leaves, and the color is super beautiful and spectacular. Let's see the taste. Spectacular also this one, but very different. With my surprise, because usually I make together flower and leaves. So here you can taste more the fennel, here kind of anise. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have some requests, some questions, let us know down in the comment. Also, if you try separately like this, let us know if you prefer with the flower or with the leaves, or if you mix like me. Plus, you will find this recipe in the next book. That is not a book that we will publish in September, because we will publish the book about cold cuts, homemade salami. So now we are collecting other 60 recipes, doing the video and the recipe. So if you have some recipe to share with us or some request, let us know down in the comment, or to me or to l'uomo di casa. And also, if you send us a recipe, please write also your name, because if your name on YouTube or on Instagram is FTT77 or king of the liqueurs 83. We don't know who we need to thank. So let us know your name so we can thank you properly. Okay guys, see you, bye bye. This one, I prefer it. But for sure after I will mix them together and the taste will be more balanced.